Hi and welcome to our channel IPM Leap. Today we have brought to you a math challenge from the topic Permutations and Combinations. Here it goes. In a tournament there are 43 junior level and 51 senior level participants. Each pair of juniors play one match. Each pair of seniors play one match. There is no junior versus senior match. The number of girl versus girl matches in junior level is 153, while the number of boy versus boy matches in senior level is 276. The number of matches a boy plays against a girl is, and it's a TITA question, which means you have to type in the answer. So what are you waiting for? Quickly grab a pen and a notebook and try it out. And once you are done, let's discuss. First things first, we must quickly tabulate the given data. So in this tournament, the question talks about some number of matches, boys versus boys, girls versus girls, senior, junior, so on. So clearly, number of boys and number of girls is one dimension of this table. The other dimension would be seniors and juniors. This is how you would jot down important data of this table. Now a very important tip to solve this question is, we try to relate these two things. Number of matches in the tournament, we have to express in terms of the number of players who are participating. That will help us solve this question. Well, before I tell you the relationship between the two, I strongly advise that you watch this video on combinations and permutations basics. It will help you understand the notations better and will help you revise how to calculate them. Now comes the important part. If we assume the number of players as n, then number of matches is simply equal to the number of ways in which we can select two players out of the given n, because there is exactly one match played between the selected two. In short, if n players are participating, then the number of matches is simply equal to NC2, choosing 2 out of n. And to calculate NC2, we have a very handy formula. NC2 is equal to n into n minus 1 upon 2. So let us assume the number of junior girl participants is the variable G. Number of senior boy participants is the variable B. Number of matches between the junior girl participants are given to be 153. So we can write GC2, which is equal to G into G minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 153. And multiplying both sides of this equation with 2, we get the equation G into G minus 1 is equal to 306. Now, even though this is a quadratic equation, we do not need to solve one. That is because our variable G is a natural number. It stands for the number of girls. And it's easy to see that G and G minus 1 are consecutive numbers. So try to write 306 as a product of two consecutive numbers. 306 is equal to 18 into 17. So comparing both sides of this equation, G is equal to 18. Similarly, we can calculate the value of the variable B because the total number of matches between the senior boy participants is given to be 276. Doing similar calculations, we get the value of B as 24. Next, we can fill the missing data in this table. Number of junior girl participants is 18. So number of junior boy participants will be 43 minus 18, that is 25. And number of senior boy participants is 24. So number of senior girl participants will be 51 minus 24, that is 27. So now that we know all numbers in this table, we can calculate the number of boy versus girl matches in the tournament too. For each such match, we need one boy and one girl who can be selected in BC1 into GC1 ways, where B and G stand for number of boys and number of girls at any level. This in turn is equal to number of boys into number of girls at any level. Therefore, at junior level, the number of boy versus girl matches will be 25 into 18, which is equal to 450. Similarly, at senior level, the number of boy versus girl matches will be 24 into 27, which is equal to 648. Total number of boy versus girl matches are thus a sum of these two numbers. 450 plus 648 is equal to 1098. And that's our answer for this tournament maths challenge. That brings us to an end of this maths challenge. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, do subscribe our channel and press the like button. Here is a glimpse of other popular maths videos on our channel that you may watch. So stay tuned and happy learning. Bye-bye.